Yes, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Today we are going to see the grades of organization. In the Kingdom Animalia series, we are going with grades of organization. So, Kingdom Animalia, in the previous class, said about the chart, and I said we analyzed the chart one after another. In the series, we took grades of organization today. So, we have four types of organization: cellular grade of organization, tissue grade of organization, organ grade of organization, organ system grade of organization. Four types of organizations we have: cellular grade of organization, organ grade of organization, organ system grade of organization. Okay. So, means here in this frame our total kingdom Animalia need to be fixed over. Kingdom Animalia completely need to be fixed over. That means all the phylums we took Porifera to Chordata need to fix here. Okay. So, what is cellular grade of organization? Cellular grade of organization means here group of cells are present here, group of cells are there. There is no unicellular organisms in kingdom Animalia, all are multicellular only. So, how does that multicellular organisms, the arrangement of the cells in the multicellular organisms of the kingdom Animalia in the form of cellular grade, tissue grade, organ system grade of organizations which we are looking for. Cellular grade, animals of this phylum is having group of cells, but the group of cells are present, but there is no coordination between the cells. There is no coordination between the cells. Why there is no coordination? Why coordination is absent here? Coordination is absent. Why coordination is absent here? Who is responsible for the coordination between the cells and tissues of the body? Nervous system, isn't it? That nerve cell and sensory cells are absent. No need to write the notes here. Notes will be given in the description. You can download the PDF of the notes. I will show you what notes will come for you. But till the time, just watch. Okay. So, what is cellular grade of organization? Just group of cells are present. Only group of cells are present. There is no coordination between the cells. Why? Because nerve cell and sensory cells are absent. Nerve cell and sensory cells only can make the coordination. So, there is no coordination because of the absence of nerve cell and sensory cell. That is why they remain as multicellular group, but we cannot say tissues. There is no tissue. Tissue means coordination. So, tissue formation is not possible here. Phylum Porifera. Example, phylum Porifera. Phylum Porifera is example for this. So, this is about cellular grade of organization. Let us move to the tissue grade of organization. What is tissue grade of organization? Tissue grade of organization better than cellular grade. Cells whose origin, structure, function same and can coordinate themselves together, where nerve cell and sensory cells are present, coordination is present. So, that is why they are able to form the tissues, but only tissues. They are not much developed to the organs, to the organ system, only tissues are present. Where do you see such condition? Phylum Coelenterata, we call it as Nidaria also, and phylum Ctenophora. Phylum Coelenterata and phylum Ctenophora is having tissue grade of organization. Next, third one, organ grade, little better than tissues. Tissues developed into organs. Tissues developed into organs. Organ grade of organization. Example, phylum Platyhelminthes. Phylum Platyhelminthes is having organ grade of organization. Phylum Platyhelminthes is having organ grade of organization. Next, the fourth one, organ system grade of organization. First of all, in case of cellular grade of organization, we said that there is no coordination. That's why they are not able to form the tissues. That's why they remain only as cells, isn't it? Then after cells developed into tissues, means from tissue grade of organization onwards, we are saying that there is a coordination. There is a presence of nerve cell and sensory cell. So when tissues become organs, what can be expected here? Definitely more coordination, more development of nervous tissue. In the same mean, when it developed, organs developed into systems. When organs developed into system, definitely greater coordination can be expected over. That means some tissues developed into organs, some organs developed into systems, greater coordination. As much as the coordination is improvising, that organ system grade also increases. In the series, first phylum Aschelminthis, the last here, Chordata. From Aschelminthis to Chordata, that organ system grade of organization is seen over. Chordata means the last phyla, last class from Chordata is mammal. That means human being. So what we have, you may know that we have digestive system, we have respiratory system, circulatory system, excretory system. Then don't you think that these kind of systems can be expected in cellular grade? No. But do they have digestion? Do they have respiration? Yes. Who do the process? Cells do the process. So that means like choanocytes for digestion, sclerocytes secrete the spicules of skeleton. Likewise, the cells are present, pinacocyte form the outer layer. So in that way, here cells do that activity. Okay. Then in tissue grade of organization, same functions of digestion, respiration, circulation, all they are performed by tissues. The same digestion, respiration, circulation, if it is performed by organs, we can say organ system grade of organization. So from Aschelminthis to Chordata, you can use that word, digestive system, respiratory system, because organs developed into systems, much organized systems are present. It is even at basic level in Aschelminthis, but highest reaches in the Chordata. In the Chordata, who is the highest animal, which we are itself human being. So we have the greater organization of organ system. Will find various systems we have: digestive, respiratory, circulatory, excretory, nervous, skeletal, reproductive, immune system. 11 systems are there which are constructing our whole body. Okay. Now let's talk about division of labor. Division of labor. What is division of labor? Work distribution, we can say division of labor. Work distribution is called as division of labor. So what is division of labor? Means if you say we have organ system grade of organization, that how does we distributed the work? Digestive system is performing digestion. Respiratory system means lungs are there, they are performing respiration. Circulatory system performing the circulating the body fluids to all over the body. So division of labor in organ system grade of organization at what level? System level. Division of labor in organ system grade, system level. So do we have the division of labor in organ grade? Yeah, definitely we have. At what level? Organ level. Do we have the division of labor in tissue grade? Yes. At what level? Tissue level. Do we have the division of labor at cellular grade? Yes. At what level? Cell level. Cell level of division of labor. So these are the 4 types of organization with examples. Let us try to find out the notes. This is the notes available to you. Cellular grade of organization, we said group of cells loosely aggregated, coordination is absent due to the absence of nerve cell and sensory cells. It cannot be considered as a tissue. That's why due to the lack of coordination. Okay. Next, tissue grade of organization, group of cells which are similar in structure, function, origin. What do you say them as? Tissues. So how is it possible? Coordination is present. How? Due to the presence of nerve cell and sensory cells. Okay. They cannot form organ system. We just stopped at tissue level only. What next? Organ grade. Group of tissues are developed into organs. Next, finally, the highly developed organization, that is organ system grade of organization, where group of tissues are developed into organ and group of organs developed into organ systems. How? Due to high level of coordination by the presence of highly developed nervous system. We can use that word system. And cellular grade of organization seen in phylum Porifera. Tissue grade of organization seen in Coelenterata and Ctenophora, you may call it as Cnidaria, no problem. Next, organ grade of organization seen in phylum Platyhelminthes. Organ system grade of organization seen in Aschelminthes to Chordata. Let us see once the chart, how it was mentioned in the chart. Here it is, subkingdom Parazoa of kingdom Animalia. Kingdom Animalia of subkingdom Parazoa is having cellular grade of organization. Eumetazoa having tissue grade, organ system grade. Means here you need to understand, subkingdom Parazoa cells no coordination between the cell, which cannot form tissues. Subkingdom Eumetazoa, tissues developed into organs developed into organ systems. Okay. In that, tissue grade of organization seen in phylum Coelenterata or Cnidaria and Ctenophora. Organ grade of organization will have in phylum Platyhelminthes. Phylum Platyhelminthes is having organ grade of organization. Here it is. The remaining phyla, Aschelminthes, nothing but Nematoda. Aschelminthes to Chordata, means Aschelminthes, Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata, Hemichordata, Chordata are having organ system grade of organization. So at least you can understand, you need to understand, these are having tissues at least. Some are having only tissues. In phylum Platyhelminthes, tissues developed into organs. In Aschelminthes to Chordata, organs developed into organ systems. This is grades of organization. Next, in the coming classes, we will see the remaining like germ layers, 2 germ layer, 3 germ layer, we call them as diploblastica and triploblastica. Then we will go with symmetry, radiata and bilateria. Will come one after another. So as I said to you in the previous class even, we are going to write 150 questions on this chart basis. On the basis of the chart, we are going to write 150 questions. So that's why slowly one after another we are reaching towards that particular questions. We'll watch and we'll practice the questions also in the coming sessions. This is all about the grades of organization. Thank you.